Traders, let's take a look at what's on the move this morning. On the move, we got ALXN up almost 30%, over 3 million traded pre-market. That's in play this morning. We got SPCE down over 15%, over 3.5 million traded pre-market. That's in play this morning. We got BFT up almost 10% here, almost 5 million traded pre-market. There's a lot of volume this morning and a lot of stocks here, so it should be an interesting morning. So let's get to it. We are short AZN, just got in it about literally 2 seconds ago. Wasn't recording, but now it is. We wanted to break 50. It's looking a little weak. If we look at the daily here, it looks like it's going to crack 50 and drop. We're going to see if we can get a point off of this, maybe 75 cents to a point. Stop loss will be around 51. Big gap down, big gap lower. A lot of dip buying going on here. Market's dropping a little bit here. All right, here we go. Come on, let's take this down below 50. All right, this thing is taking way too long here. This thing should have dropped already. We're going to come out of this right here. All right, we're out. We're out. Probably have a massive squeeze here, and then maybe we'll take it a little bit. All right, we only took like a 2-cent loser plus commissions. abnb, we're going to try this here. All right, we are short. A lot of dip buying going on here. Let's take a look at this up close. A lot of dip buying going on here. They're all putting the stop below 129. I think if this was going to bounce hard here, it would have already bounced. And it's not. So I think we got more sellers in it, even at this point. Market's pulling back a little bit from nice runs here. So, but target will be 129, below 129. Stop loss will be over 131. We're actually going to put the stop right in right now. I'm not even going to waste any time with this thing, because if this thing pops, it's going to pop, and I don't want to be part of that massive pop. All right, we got a stop out, so if it just goes over 131, we'll just take a point loser. But if it drops here, we got a nice win here, I think. All right, here it comes. Here it comes. All right, we got about 50, 60 cents. All right, let's take this right here, just in case it pops. I don't want it to pop. All right, let's get out of this. All right, we're out. Nice. Nice. We took almost a point, and it's still dropping here. I should have waited. It's been dropping for so long. Look at this thing. It's gonna have a massive pullback. AZN looking a little weak here. Let's take this short here again. All right, we are short at 50.70 here. We think it's just gonna drop now, but if it doesn't, we will come out of it. We're not gonna give this one much of a leash here. We're gonna put our stop loss at 50. Stop's gonna be at 51.10 area, and we'll just put our stop out there. If it goes over, we'll just get out of the trade. No big deal. Market's climbing. This thing ain't climbing, so we think it'll drop here. We got about 20 cents, 10, 15 cents. It's just, this stock is just giving me a headache, man. I'm actually going to come out of this right here. Let's come out of this right here. I don't want to be in this stock anymore. All right, we're out. Let's cancel that. We took 10 cents, no big deal, but this stock is just giving me a headache. It's not doing anything. mRNA, we're going to take this for a long right here. The stock is up this morning, so we think it's pulling back here, and it's going to get bought up. All right, we are long, only 100 shares. All right, let's just keep 100 shares. If it drops, we'll pick up another 100. This stock has been on fire lately. This is the vaccine stock. We think this will climb at least a point up to 61.50. That's going to be the target. Stop loss will be below 159.50 area. Let's take a look at this thing up close. It's pulled back quite a bit. Now it's uptrending, so we think it'll continue to uptrend. But you know what? We're going to put a stop on this at 159.50. All right, that's our stop. We'll take it over 161.50 if it gets up there, though. That was a nice dip buy right there. That sucker dropped all the way down there, and they was just ready to buy that sucker up. That's a good sign, but we'll see. You never really know. mRNA, this thing should have climbed already. We're going to come out of this right here. If we can. Let me cancel this order. Let me just push this down a little bit. Alright, we are out. I don't like that. That should have climbed already. I've been in this for a few candles. I was going to wait to the next candle, but I says, you know what? Let me just get out of this with a smaller loss here. No big deal. We are short abnb. This is our second trade on it. We think it's gonna drop some more today. There's a lot of selling in this stock, so we think it's gonna drop down to at least below 126. That's gonna be the target. Stop loss will be over 128. Let's take a look at this thing up close. Now it is kind of risky because it's been dropping all day, but I don't think it's done dropping. We might even let it pop over 128 there because it looks like it's going to pop over 128. Wait till the next candle, and if it continues to climb, we'll come out of it. Now this one I'm a little reluctant to put a stop in because it's just been downtrending since it IPO'd. So it's most likely going to continue to downtrend. But it might have those sporadic pops that will take out all the orders and then go back to trend, you know? So you got to be careful with those. All right, here it comes. Come on, let's take it down below 126. Should be a nice, quick, easy trade if it gets below there, and then we'll see what happens once it gets below 126. All right, here it comes. Here it comes. Come on, let's get a little bit more. Here we go. All right, let's take this right here if we can. Come on. Nice. 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 2 cents short of a full point. I'll take that. And it's probably going to drop some more. Like I said, it's been dropping for so long, it can easily put up a good size squeeze. And look at that thing drop. Boom. But what's making me a little bit antsy is the market. The market just keeps trucking along. Look at the SPY here. It's just trucking along. Like there's no worries in the world. Market's just climbing. So when you're going short, you got to take the SPY into perspective. But look, Airbnb is still dropping. Why? Because they're selling it. That's all there is to it. Anyways, traders, I think that's going to be it for us today. Don't really see anything else here that looks good. We took 5 trades. We're up 350. Let's take a look at the trades. 5 trades, 3 winners, 2 losers. Our biggest winner on abnb and our biggest loser on mrna. Thanks for watching.